To share an Amazon link from the Amazon app, you can follow these general steps. First, you have to open the Amazon app on your mobile device. Search for the product you want to share or navigate to the product page. Once you have found the product, tap on it to open the product details page. On the product details page, look for the share button or icon. It is usually represented by a square with an arrow pointing upward. You see the share icon here in the top right corner of the product photo. Tap on the share button, a sharing menu will appear. From the sharing menu, you will have various options to share the Amazon link. You can choose to share via messaging apps, WhatsApp, email, social media platforms like Instagram, Discord, even LinkedIn, or copy the link to your device's clipboard for later use. You see copy here. Select the desired sharing option based on your preferences. If you choose a messaging or email app, the link will be automatically populated in the message or email body. You can then add recipients, additional text, or any other necessary details. If you choose a social media platform such as Facebook or Twitter, the app will open with pre-populated message containing the Amazon link. You can customize the message and choose the audience you want to share it with. Once you have selected the sharing option and made any necessary customizations, tap on the Send or Post button to share the Amazon link. Please note that the exact steps may vary slightly depending on the version of the Amazon app you are using and the specific device you have.